Hello everybody, my name is Buster Gaming and today we are playing Watch Dogs again. Yeah. Last time where we left off, we escaped the prison. And yeah. And if you didn't watch the last episode, go watch it now, because then the whole story won't make sense. Well, maybe a little, but it'd be easier. But anyway, let's continue. Goodbye.
I need to make this quick. Damien's pride is his weak spot. Just play it up. Convince him to say what he knows. Then drop him. He's too reckless. He's too dangerous. Where are you?
I don't think you're gonna like my answer.
You know what? Forget it. I don't need whatever you got. You brought me nothing but trouble. We're done talking.
Oh, too late, Aiden. You won't believe where I am. Never mind, I'll send you the feed. Find a TV and have a look.
That's Nikki's house. What are you doing?
You should hurry, my boy. Your pretty sister needs you.
Damien! Damien, what are you doing?
Damn, buddy!
Played me. That son of a bitch played me and I let him. What's he doing, Nikki's? No, he won't hurt them. I'll kill him if he touches them. No, he has to know that. No, he's trying to draw me there. He wants me to work with him. Find the guys who attacked us? Fuck that. I need to take him down. Guys, I'm coming!
"6 years old. It's tragic.
Where are they?
Such a waste. All of this, it's such a waste. You know, the real tragedy here is that somebody like you was surrounded by so many fragile things. It makes you fragile.
Where?
That's not how it works. You don't want to answer that.
Yeah. Nikki! Where are you? Nikki!
Stop and think. You fuck around and she's dead. This isn't how I wanted it. But this is where we are. If you'd listened to me, things would be different.
Just tell me where they are.
Where they are, there's only Nicky. That little boy. I don't know where he is. Now, this is what's gonna happen. That points to a hard drive. I told you there was another hacker. That will lead you to his computer. Get it? And you'll find out who ordered the hit on us.
What do you really want?
You lost your right to question me. I want that hard drive, that's all you need to know, and that's the price for Nicky. Stop overthinking, Aiden. We'll need regular updates. In exchange, you get to talk to Sis. Quid pro and all that.
This won't end well for you.
Perhaps, but don't get clever. I really have no problem killing that girl. We'll talk soon, partner.
Where is Jax? Damien doesn't have him. I hope he's got his tablet. There. He's on the L. Oh shit, someone's after him. I can't risk Damien grabbing Jax. I need him safe. Come on, I can make it. I'll grab Jax and then... Nicky. Damn it. He's got Nicky. Reach him in time. All right, hack the train. Get Jackson moving and away from these guys.
Check every car. Kid's here somewhere.
All right, that's probably time. Make the next station. Whoa! All right, that's bought me time. Can make the next station. Hold on, kiddo.
Train's leaving! Shit! Alright, get to the next station. Go! Go! Rhinestone, catch up! He failed! Catch him, darn!
All right, that's bought me time. Can make the next station. Hold on, kiddo.
Train's leaving! Shit! Alright, get to the next station. Go! Go! He's up! He's got a gun! Ram him! He's on foot! This is our chance!
Por fin.
Jax. You're safe now. Alright? You're safe. Okay, listen. This is important. Back at the house, did you hear those men say anything? Come on, Jax, talk to me. Alright. We're gonna find your mom.
Dr. Mendez speaking?
Yolanda, hi. This is Aiden Pierce, Nikki's brother.
Is everything all right?
It'd be great if we could meet in person. I'm on the train with Jax.
All right. Do you know where Nikki drops him off?
Yeah, we'll meet you there. I need you to be brave for me, okay? Men at the house said this. This is good, Jax. It's good.
Hey! Hello, sweetheart. What's going on, Mr. Pierce? Where's Nikki?
Nah, it's been a rough week. She's forced herself to get rid of Lena's stuff, and I think she's finally saying her goodbyes.
How bad is it?
It's bad.
She should call me.
Well, she wanted me to call you. See, we're wondering if you could look after Jax for a few days. We'll pay you, of course.
Of course. I'll help in any way I can.
That'd be great, thank you.
Nikki needs to grieve. I know it's hard, but it's a good thing.
It's been rough. We're gonna work it out. Right?
Hey, little man. We're gonna cause some trouble. Let's go.
See you soon.
Go.
Southbound train arriving shortly.